Google Gemini is making Google Drive a much more intelligent workspace. You can spend much less time creating and gathering information across your documents and work much faster across your assets. Here are some hidden features to help you master Google Drive projects. With your projects and all your sources added, you can prompt the project for more insights. But if you want to go to a previous version, click on the History tab. So for this current project, we have 8 sources, but if you click on a previous version that we have, we can see that it has 9 sources enabled, and there's a different prompt that we used. You can share your project just like any other doc in Google Drive by clicking on the share button in the top right corner. Every person that has access to the project can specify their own custom instructions by going to the top left corner and clicking on the hamburger menu for more options, choosing settings and personalization. Here's where you can add your custom instructions, and as a reminder, you can specify your role, whether it's a marketer or a data manager, the preferred tone, and the format that you want to use. Back on the main screen of your project, if you want to refresh the chat, all you have to do is go to the top right corner and click on the new conversation icon. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.